off on another trip around the UK and Ireland in the search for birds to paint.
Over there! So we're going to Derbyshire to see the dipper,
Northern Ireland to see puffins.
Wales to see the black grouse,
London to see peregrine falcons.
Scotland to see the crested tit.
And this time we're going to Leinster to see the marvellous little terns.
Oh, and they're cute little chicks. Is that the female? And
Actually, both parents share incubation, so they do take turns, yeah, no pun intended.
And I'm going to be painting them back in my studio, whilst employing a wide variety of techniques. And we will meet our friend, not only musician, but bird lover Imelda May.
Imelda, this is mysterious.
It's mysterious because it's unfinished.
And we do have a laugh, don't we?
Oh, we have a right laugh. We've got art.
That's looking good, guys.
It is terrible. We've got birds. I think I'll come back down.
I don't think we could ask for more, really, do you, Jim?
I don't really think so, no. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that in my life. So that is me, Jim.
And that's me, Nancy.
And a fine selection of feathered and not so feathery friends. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing little terns and seeing them in action, in, you know, doing what they do.
What do they do?
I don't know. We'll find out when we go and see them. Well, it's known as the little tern because it's the smallest of the terns. They weigh something between a golf ball and a tennis ball. What I'm trying to get is its excitability. It's a little chattering, fluttering, hovering, tiny tern. Every year they migrate to the British Isles, all the way from West Africa to mate and raise their chicks. They go out and catch sand eels. So I'm going to give this one a sand eel. What I want to do is get a bit of a story involved. I want to get across the chick on the beach and the adult flitting about and getting some food for it. It's not the greatest story ever told, but it is a story, and it is the greatest story ever told for the chick. Eel is going to just fall down there. Because the little tern is white, I want to cover it in masking fluid, then do a wash of blue sky. I'm just going to try this out around the tern, giving it a sprinkle of fairy dust. This may be an error. And I'm just going to use this bit of sponge. That's all it is. It might work, it might not work, but we'll find out. We're in a province of Ireland called Leinster, which is famous for quite a few things. Do you know what?
I know a couple of them, actually. Rugby.
Yes.
River dance.
Maybe. Dublin, the capital, is here. Why we are here is to see the terns. What I really like to do is see a bird before I paint it, and I have to tick that bird off. It's like my own personal thing that's saying I'm allowed to paint that bird because I've actually seen it.
Go out, see it, paint it.
Yeah.
Jim?
Yeah.
Where are we going to see the little terns?
We're going to see the little terns on a beach at Kilgoon.
Hi.
Hi, Brian.
Brian.
Hi, guys.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Good
Thanks
to
for
meet
coming.
you.
Hi.
Welcome to Cuckoo.
Quite something, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a really, really special place.
Their wings are just, they're beautiful, aren't they?
They are an amazing little bird. They're proper little hoverers, aren't they?
Yeah, they're just so perfectly adapted. And just when you consider that, you know, they weigh about 50 grams.
I love the noise as well.
You know everything's going well when you can just hear that chatter in the background. If there's silence, we'd be worried.
Chatter, chatter, hover, hover.
So they pick these shingle beaches, tiny little eggs,
These eggs just disappear into the environment, don't they? Into the shingle.
just completely disappear. And the chicks as well, you know, small little fluffy chicks, but just they sit down and you cannot see them. Actually got some chicks on the scope if you want to take a look in here, yeah?
Have a look.
Go on,
There's
use
a
it.
little family of
excited.
2 chicks and 2 parents just there.
Oh,
You can see the chicks.
you can see the chicks. Oh, cute. Is that the female and keeping them warm?
Actually, both parents share incubation, so they do take turns, yeah, no pun intended.
Let me have
You have to have a look, but she's just sat down to keep them warm. So,
All right, yeah.
but they're so busy, aren't they, as well?
It's a full-time job. They come here for kind of 3 months of the summer, and it's non-stop. You know, the second they get here, they're trying to attract a mate, they're offering fish, they're incubating eggs.
What do they eat? What do they like? Food? You
A
know,
lot of
fish
sand
and-
eels, they eat little stuff like gobies, small, tiny little fish. As a bird that nests on the ground, just every predator that's going will try and take their eggs or their chicks. The other problem is a lot of people walking dogs and stuff like that, but luckily a lot of people here in Kilcool are very delighted to see the birds back and happy to keep their distance. They can live to 20, 25 years. We caught one here recently as part of our ringing studies and it was 19 years old. They do all this really, really busy summer and then they're back to West Africa and back up the
When do
next
they
year.
go to Africa?
So they will pretty much disappear in August.
Well, I can't believe it. We got to Ireland and we've seen the bird we were looking for.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
It is fantastic.
Wait till you see Rockabill. Go up to County Dublin. We've got Rockabill Island. That is the biggest colony of roseate terns in all of Europe.
Really? Could you have a word with someone, see if we could go?
Yeah, I can put in a good word for you.
Could
yeah.
you? That'd be good. This is a big tick for me. And you.
Tick.
These eggs, now that gives me an idea for some artwork.
Ooh.
Thanks, Brian.
Thank you so much.
You're a gentleman.
Oh, you having a picnic?
Yes, look, I've laid out a picnic area.
Lovely.
What I thought we would do is replicate the little tern's eggs
Yeah.
and see how they disappear into the shingle.
Oh,
And look,
exciting.
here's my Observer's Book of Birds' Eggs, which was mine from when I was a kid.
This is brilliant.
And
Just
there-
a wee boy.
Here's a little tern. But look, it's so abstract, isn't
Yes.
it? What we'll do is, you take that piece of paper.
Oh, thank you.
We need to just do a background wash. So let's just give it a loose wash.
Yeah,
And
that's nice.
so you do the same on yours.
I think I need
Get
to.
it nice and
Oh, so then it goes out. Right.
yeah, but make sure it's flat or it'll drip down. And you leave a bit of light, let's say, on that side.
There's bits on it.
It's all right. There's bits on an egg, isn't there? Look at that. So now
How's that?
Yeah, it's all right. Got a bit of brown, a bit of blue, and a bit of black. Just
So-
put it on.
Sort of right here, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah, no, it'll be, yes, and it's
But it's
loose,
quite-
and you're quite right to have it loose and watery. Give it a streak of brown.
whoa, look at that. Mine looks like a face.
It's just a big abstract.
A big mess. No, I'm joking.
Yeah, it is a big abstract mess. Let yourself go free. Men, let's cut them
that?
out. Yeah. Look at that. That's it.
I'm happy with that.
I think it's really good. Now I think what we should do is just lay them in
Yeah.
their natural habitat. It really will blend in.
Oh, I think my legs have gone to
Look.
sleep.
lay them down there,
Right.
and then we'll just walk away and leave them. If they were smaller, they really would just vanish.
Yeah, they look good.
But now, they're going to hatch into massive little terns.
They won't be little.
Let's go and find some more pebbles, and we'll come back and tidy that up in a minute. I need to see the white bird against the blue sky. So what I'm doing is letting the white of the paper be the white of the bird and do that job for me. And as you can see, it won't stick to the masking fluid. And if you get enough water on there, it will kind of go its own way and do its own thing and look more sky-like. I'm going to maybe bring a bit more blue in. You can actually see where I did those little speckled areas of the fairy dust. You can see that it's actually working. That's right. Now this is a nice thing to do. I might just let it drip a bit, just to let the paint drift sideways and then fall into its own kind of groove. But you can see there's almost like little clouds appearing there. Look, there's clouds, misty clouds on the horizon. Yes, pleased with that. This has really got to dry, this. If not, when you take off the masking fluid, you're going to have bits of blue all over your white bird, and that's not what we want. Little terns nest on beaches, a little bit of sand and gravel. Make these sort of like loose pebble shapes, which is good if you're trying to avoid a fox or a rat or a dog, because the eggs and the chicks blend into their surroundings. But a great big lumbering human will stroll through and stand on the eggs or the chicks, so you've got to be careful. I don't really mind that this doesn't look massively like a pebbled beach. It's just going to have the feeling of it. And I've got that shadow there, which is quite blue, but it's bleeding out. Right, we'll leave that to dry for a bit. Some of our friends are into birds and art, which is a double whammy.
That's
is that the
brilliant.
word, double whammy?
I like that, double whammy, yes.
So when you got that double whammy, it makes it even better.
It's brilliant.
Not saying that the other people aren't having a great time or as fun to be with, but birds and art is what we're looking at.
It's what it's all about.
We're going to meet a friend of ours who's a musician, and she's a bird lover. Do you know who?
Yeah, I do. Our lovely friend, Imelda May.
Imelda May!
Where is this place you've taken me to, Jim?
This magnificent place is the Round Tower of Glendalough, and it was built 1,000 years ago by the monks of St. Kevin's Monastery as a beacon for pilgrims and a watchtower and sanctuary. There she is.
Hi, Imelda. Lovely
Hello.
to see you.
Oh,
Lovely to see you.
delighted to see us.
How are you?
I'm great. All the better now that you're here.
What a stunning place.
My daughter says that's Rapunzel's tower, probably because I told her.
But it is.
I
if,
love that.
if you're going to draw Rapunzel's tower, that's it.
That's it.
So you have a big love for birds.
Yeah, I'm like a weird bird lady.
Oh yeah. What sort of? What's your favourite?
Oh, the crow. I rescued a crow and hand-raised it.
Did you?
Yeah. Well, I rescued him when he was tiny, totally bald. There wasn't a little feather on it at all, so I knew it wasn't a fledgling. It bounced off every branch. It was black and blue and swollen. Didn't think it would make it, and I fed it every 2 hours, every 3. It was like having a newborn. He used to sit on my shoulder and groom me, you know, make sure my hair was.
And did he fly away?
He'd go up into the tree, and I remember doing some festivals and putting him up into the tree, and he'd sit there till I got back, and I'd be, "Gaw, gaw."
I'm going to do a single line drawing, which means I'm going to put the pen onto the paper. So I'm going from left to right, and then right around the top, the trees.
Let's see. Is you doing a one?
One single line drawing,
Single line drawing.
And I'm just not going to take it off until I've finished.
I don't know if I've
He's
the
not
nerve.
stopping.
Oh, the pressure.
Have you ever done single line drawing?
Yeah. See, I don't normally do landscapes because I'm on the road a lot of the time.
I like doing that. If I'm away filming, I like doing that in my hotel room. Keeps you out the bar, for one thing.
Keeps you at the bath or the
They're
bar?
at the bar. And the bath.
Are you doing the railing?
Yeah, I'm doing it all. Can't take the pen off.
What happens if you do?
It's incredibly bad luck.
I lifted my pen up, that's it, it's over. I'm not happy with this already. I've already done the trees too big and I want to rub it out and start again. That's it, I'm going to throw it away and cut my ear off.
You're going to do a Van Gogh. Do you like Van Gogh?
Yes, I do. I love Van Gogh. I love Crows Over the Wheat Field. I just love the movement in it.
Yeah.
But my favourite artists are the Yates sisters, Elizabeth and Susan. Susan studied under William Morris in London and they came back. They employed and taught local women and they also had an embroidery company. And their embroidery, they turned into pieces of art. You know, it was acceptable for women to be embroiderers. Go off and do a little bit of sewing. Susan always did a couple of little crows or seagulls in the background. They were just extraordinary women anyway, so.
Yeah, no, they sound amazing.
There's jackdaws and crows here.
Oh, look, there they are. Oh,
It's coming over.
woohoo!
Landed.
Go on, sit up there.
Your friend, the crow, up there. That's prime, like, luxury tower block.
Yeah, but what a lovely place to have a nest.
I'm so delighted you asked me to do this. I never do this.
It's really quite calming.
I love how it's not the light, it's the colour of the bricks have changed down this dark one, the green ones down the side, and the white ones that are moving and twisting around. You could just spend hours doing that.
But we've only got half an hour.
Ah, for God's sake. I'm so cross with you. I think I've been inspired by you to hurry up. Wait, can I do a little wash? Like, takes me seconds.
You're going like the clappers now. Might just go in and put a jackdaw just arriving at the top of the tower.
That means you're going to have to lift the pen off and do the...
Yeah, but I've done it all. I've done the whole drawing without taking my pen off. There, I've finished. I've taken my pen off the paper.
This one, Jimbo.
Right, I think I'm done.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
Pen
think so.
down, let's have a look.
That's
That's
gorgeous.
good. I like the looseness, and I like the way that it's moved all over the paper. So I started off here, single line all the way around, and finished there.
Beautiful.
Brilliant.
Really gorgeous. I love it.
Do you want to do a swap then?
Can we swap?
Yeah.
Because yours is way better than mine.
There, mine's signed.
There's my
Sign,
sign.
seal.
We'll put this in our gallery of
I love
swaps.
that. Imelda, this is mysterious. I like it.
It's mysterious because it's unfinished. What would that picture look like if it was finished?
I don't know.
That's what the mystery is.
Yeah, that's the mystery.
Wood, try and keep it flat. Now, we've got masking fluid on here. When it's dry and when the background's dry, all this wash, you can rub it off. And you can see it's like, it's leaving that bright white bird underneath. You can't beat having a bit of raw paper to do the white work for you. But I can feel it now taking its toll. Friction burns on the fingertips. Masking fluid is a great thing, but there are perils involved. Now, when you're rubbing it off with your finger, you can use a rubber. I always like to use my finger, but I've had blisters from friction of rubbing paper. It reminds me of my days when I was a bass player. And there is the little tern, now ready to accept its paint. Right, there's little bits of grey coming in. You really don't want much on here at all. OK, now we've got that sandy colour. Because the bird is completely white, the underneath of the bird is reflecting the colour of the beach. And down here, a bit heavy. It's all right. I'll take that off with a dry brush. Leave that for a bit. But what a beautiful day.
Beautiful.
It's
Best day ever.
You know, we've seen little terns.
Yeah.
Look at this. The biggest tern you've ever seen in your life. And there's the artist, Manu, who's made it on this beach with a rake.
Hey.
Hello, Manu.
Hi, Manu.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How do you do?
How are
This
you?
is-
You picked a lovely day.
This is fantastic.
Thank you, thank you.
How long did it take you to do this, then?
That took about 4 hours to do.
How long have we got before this disappears?
Well, we had low tide at 4. It'll be between 7 or 8. This will be gone.
It's quite crazy, that, but a beautiful thing in it that it's just there and it's
Yeah.
gone.
Normally, I have only geometrical kind of designs and
Yeah.
stuff like that, but I enjoy doing that.
Do you do birds often?
This is actually my very first bird.
Is it?
Is it?
Really?
Yeah.
Is there anything we can do?
Oh, you can help me out because what we want to do is we give our little bird a shadow. Nancy, if you want to start here,
Okay.
and
And then
Jim will
I'll-
take the next one. We just keep going. Always put a good bit of pressure on it, and you see how the wet sand comes up.
Oh, do you know what this is like?
What?
This is like me mopping the kitchen. You know when I mop the kitchen at home?
With it, well, yeah, when you do it with a rake.
Yeah.
This reminds me of my days when I was ploughing when I left school.
Can I just say that I wasn't ploughing when I left school?
That's looking good, guys.
Yeah.
The tidal sand contains a lot of moisture, so what we do is we rake up the more wet and therefore darker sand. And that's how we are drawing. That's how we create the contrast.
Are you loving our help?
Normally, I wouldn't let anyone
Really?
being part of it because I'm very fussy and I religiously do all my designs on my own.
Oh, I just tried it. I just put my footprint on it. I'm sorry.
Just re-rake it and it'll be dark again.
Sorry.
And that's our last bit.
It looks great, doesn't it? But it's quite difficult to appreciate what it might look like until you're up there.
Will we have a look on the drone? I
Yeah.
get it, and we'll have a look on the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my word! I can't believe it.
Look at the shadow.
That really, oh, that is, it's 3D, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't that cool? It's just flying above the sand.
That's fantastic. Well done.
Well, well done. Well done to you.
That's the biggest turn that we've ever seen, so a big tick. Thanks, Manu. That was great.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
The baby chick that I'm going to do is like old chicks. It's just like that going, give me food. They're strange looking things. It's like Batman's offspring. So it's got this sort of like droopy Batman wings and a strange look to it. All babies are strange looking. Look at that stance. But I want this bright, startling red for its gob. I like it. Right, there's the hungry chick.
We love going bird watching.
We have fun, and that is what it's all about, really.
And you also never know what weather you're going to get. Is it going to be raining? Is it going to be boiling hot? But actually, do you know what? I don't care about the weather because we just have such a great time, don't we?
Well, here we are in the city of Dublin.
Yeah.
In the rain.
Yeah.
Actually, we're in the port of Dublin. That's there. No, you don't have to go out into the countryside to see birds. You can see them in the city and in the urban environment like we are now.
I love that. I love that.
And the fellow who knows all about that is our friend, David Lindo,
Yay!
the urban birder. There he is, look. David!
Hi, David.
Guys, how you doing?
All
Hey,
right.
how are you?
You know what? I'm so happy watching these terns out. They're so beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
What terns are out there?
Well, I can see common terns. They're the ones with slightly darker wings.
I could watch them all day long.
They look quite delicate, but the distances they travel and the things they see in their lives, for me, just
I
really
can
astound
never
me.
get my head around that, how far they travel, like to Africa. It's insane. And the chicks are so cute.
Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Do you know what a baby tern is called?
Go on.
A turnip. It's not, but I think maybe I just may have started. Yeah.
But when I was a kid, I used to look at terns and I always saw them as mini versions of gulls.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How old were you when you started being interested in birds?
I remember in my garden in North London, in Wembley, collecting insects and spiders and stuff. And then I noticed that they were being fed upon by birds. So I taught myself, and by the age of 8, I was a walking encyclopedia on birds. I
was very similar, because I started off as the pond kid, because I'd have birds.
I got into birding later in life.
Yeah.
I didn't do any of this when I was a kid.
Listen, it's never too late, Nancy.
Exactly.
Urban areas are really important, even though the habitat's very fractured. This replicates a lot of things that birds will look at and think it's just a rocky beach or what have you, you know?
Yeah. They're on these rafts, which I think they're nesting on.
Yeah,
have been placed there by the Dublin City Council, probably.
Good old city council, I thought to say.
What else have we got out here? I saw wagtail back down there.
Yeah, some pupaed wagtails. I've had a couple of kittiwakes fly by.
There's 2 black gillymots up there. Now look, having a punch shop. In the car park down the pub, in the urban city landscape. Well, having said that, it is a bit wet.
It's a bit rainy.
Can you see anything? Shall we go and get a cup of tea?
Should we do it?
I'll have a hot chocolate.
Come on,
let's go.
Hello, Jim. Hello. I come bringing a cup of tea and a biscuit.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Wow, this is gorgeous.
Look, I've left some masking fluid on there, and I wondered if you would like to rub off the beak.
Absolutely. Here we go. Ooh.
Is it working? Got it. The more you look at it, the more you think, oh, I've got to do a bit more there.
I like the black at the end.
Yeah. Well, it's going to have a nice black head the next time you see it, and a yellow beak.
Well, enjoy it, and don't forget your biscuit, cup of tea.
I like the way you pushed that then. So, we'll have a bit of yellow. It is quite a bright yellow beak, but because the sun is behind this bird, it's going to be a bit more orange. So, put a bit of orange in there as well. I love yellow. It may be my favourite colour. I think that's about right. And then that black cap. Right, now I've got to try and work out where that eye's gone. It's got a little bit, I think it sort of fades, you know, just want to give it a bit of light on the back of the head. So even though it's black, I just give it a watery wash around here. And that'll make it a bit lighter. So I'm just doing some extra shading here. Well, there's always a fear that you're going to go too far, especially with watercolours, because if you mess up, you've messed up. The answer is, do less. How long have we been together?
We've been together for 23 years.
23 years.
That's quite long.
You do end up being psychically linked, and quite often we end up coordinated, you know, dressing the same just by chance. Well, you're probably wondering why we're wearing these outlandish garments.
Well, I think I might know, Jim.
A lemon yellow poncho, and hat, what would you need it for?
It's going to protect me from some bird poop.
Correct. We're going to go to Rockabill Island, and we're going to see the rarest breeding seabird in the British Isles, the roseate tern.
Oh, brilliant.
They could well dump on us. Look, see over there?
Yeah.
That's where we're going. Rockabill, 2 islands, one next to the other.
Okay. So do the terns live on it?
There's roseate terns, which are really rare. But it's not just roseate terns there. Thousands and thousands of nesting seabirds come to visit, even though Rockerbill's just a tiny bit bigger than a football pitch.
But this is brilliant, Jim.
It's only 3 miles away from Dublin, but normally only wardens are allowed on it. Luckily, someone's put a word in for us. This is brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, nice
Hello,
to meet
Jim.
How are
Nice
you?
to meet you. I'm Katie.
Nice to meet you.
How do you
Nancy.
do?
Welcome to Rockerbille, Jim. Nancy.
So this is the place.
This is Mission HQ for roseate terns in Europe.
And they're doing well, aren't they?
We have something exceeding 60% of European roseate terns on this single island.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Rockerbille is unique in that we have nearly every bird ringed on the island, so we know exactly how old it is, who its mum and dad was, and we've got 27-year-old birds breeding
Really?
here.
So how many nests are there now?
Yeah, nearly 1,800 roseates, 1,500 commons, and about 50 arctics. And then you add on 70-odd pairs of black guillemots and 165 pairs of kittiwakes.
How long have you been here?
51 days and
Really?
counting
Without leaving?
without leaving.
51 days.
Yeah. It's a lot of work. But then it's also you wake up to this beautiful view every day.
And you're wearing the official badge.
The official badge is a nice decoration, yeah?
I like it. It's like a Jackson Pollock painting.
Thank you.
And there's a chicks
Chicks are hatching now.
right
Yeah.
now.
Is that why they're all so woohoo?
No, they're always woohoo.
Yeah.
That's what they do.
And these black guillemots here, they're great. I really like
But a
them.
lot of them nest in the holes in the lighthouse wall there. You can
Oh,
see
right,
the
yeah.
odd one just sitting there.
Yeah.
So they're the prime spots. They
I
like
love
a little
that.
bit of a tunnel as well as a box.
Oh, Jim, this is amazing.
There's so much to see, isn't there? Now, to a lot of people, the difference between terns is it's quite tricky sometimes, isn't it? So with the Erosia, you've got black beak with a little red
Patch at the base.
the base, and a slight rosé blush on the chest. And then common terns, red beak, red legs.
More or less, with a
Pretty
bit
much.
of black at the base of the bill.
Arctic terns, pretty much the same, but with the slightly longer streamers.
They have like a blood red beak.
Arctic terns, they do the most air miles. So what are they going to be doing 1 year?
Well, they go to the Antarctic, due south all the way till they hit the ice. I would say it'll be about 3,000 miles down there,
Yeah.
and then they probably go about 1,000 towards Australia, then they probably come back. But then they're flying around all the time.
Yeah,
you know,
they don't stop.
They never
so-
stop.
Let's say that one there is 30. It could have, with its yearly travels and flying around every day, could be 500,000 miles in its life.
Yeah.
Yes. If
That
you
is
put
scary,
it like this,
isn't
it's crazy.
Look, I got one.
You got hit.
I've got my badge. Yay! I'm official.
Baptized, yeah. The first of many, yeah.
Well, can we go and have a look around then?
On your head be it, and there will be something on your head.
Really?
Oh, no.
Mind your step, watch your feet.
I'm getting... No! No, 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 no. I think I'll just go back, actually. Thank you, that was lovely.
Where are you going? Got to take a picture of this. I think I'll come back down.
Yeah, quick, Jim, quick!
What a sight! I don't think I've ever seen anything like that in my life, and I never will again. Now then, these terns and the colour of their beaks and feet have kind of made me think a little bit like this, like the colours you get in a Miro painting. I'm just going to do some like lines in a kind of Miro-esque way. So if I just make some marks like this, we've got that's a common tern, and then that's an Arctic tern's beak. They've got these L-shaped feet. So we've got another beak there. I'm just going to make some shapes up here. Don't know where this is going to go. It's just being influenced by the colours. Little tern, yellow beak and feet. And then we've got these caps, which are kind of, let's say that's the cap of the common tern. Got a cap here, and this, let's say this is an Arctic tern. Oh, and then there's the little tern, which has got kind of white forehead. Kind of like that. Seeing as we're on Rockabill, I should do probably a bit of the roseate tern's belly. This is terrible. It's all the terns as influenced by Joan Miro. Now we've got that fish, bluey silver. So let's get a bit of blue out. So the sun's shining and it's going to have shadow on the underneath. That's quite a good colour for a silvery fish. And it has these sort of like little mackerel kind of stripes. It's going to be a shadow under there because it's in the beak. And there we are, that's it. It's a little tern returning to its even littler tern with a little fish in its little empire. And I'm really pleased with it.
Hello, Jim.
There you are.
Here I am.
There you are. Look, the little tern. Finished.
It's beautiful. It looks like an angel.
I think you get the sense that it's quite a hot day with that wash and the sort of hazy clouds.
And gorgeous colours, I love it.
I've done that yellow beak with the black tip and the black cap.
And the blue coming through at the back really brings it all out.
Thank you.
There you go. What a fantastic trip.
It was quite amazing, wasn't it? Well, I'm dressed all in white, like a tern, black cap. Have a look at the lovely painting. And that's what they were doing, hovering over the little chick. And to celebrate even more, I thought we'd have a picnic with eggs called an egg nick. Cheers.
Cheers.